Hi, this is Sasha Brusin with a quick tip for those of you who have recently started playing guitar. More than likely, you will learn how to play G with these three fingers this way. And that's fine, of course. However, here's my suggestion. Try using fingers 2, 3, and 4. So middle finger, ring finger, pinky. It might feel a little awkward in the beginning if you're not used to using your pinky, but when you get the hang of it, when you're switching from G to C or G to any other chord that either precedes or supersedes G, usually, it's going to be much easier, a lot less motion. See? This versus this. So that's my tip for today. Till next time.